In this video, I'll show you how to check if someone is using your Facebook account from your phone. This helps you find suspicious activity and secure your account quickly. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap the menu icon to open the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Inside the Settings page, tap on Password and Security. Here you will see a section called Where you're logged in. Tap See All to view the list of devices that are currently logged into your Facebook account. You will see information such as the device type, location, and the last time it was active. If you notice a device or location that you do not recognize, tap on it and select Log Out to remove it from your account immediately. Another thing you can check is your recent activity. Go back to your profile, tap the three dots, and open the activity log. Here you can review your likes, comments, and other actions to see if anything was done without your permission. If you find suspicious activity, change your password right away and enable two-factor authentication for better security. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.